Lucihub is an AI-powered video production platform. It's technology plus people designed to create high-quality videos at speed and scale. I was sitting down with an agency executive and she said, we spend thousands of dollars on video content, and by the time we get it back, it's irrelevant. And so I looked at how production is being done today, and I looked at the demand for video today, and they don't match. I had spent time in the production industry, I'd spent time in the software industry, and I couldn't believe someone hadn't found a better way to create content quickly. And so what we did was we said, let's apply technology and human editors and do it faster, at scale, but don't compromise quality. So let's talk about the tech. So I think what's unique about Lucihub is we have AI in our DNA. We have the Creative Copilot, which is built on Azure OpenAI, and that's really a creative director we've built that lets the marketers and the brands create their stories, their scripts, their shot lists, their voiceovers really quickly. And so we're on Azure because our customers are on Azure, and there's a sense of stability and security when we tell them, hey, this entire framework is built on Azure.
From the beginning, the mission of Lucihub Creative Copilot was to make it brain dead simple. Lucihub Creative Copilot wraps a number of large language models, LLMs, and produces highly formatted, easily readable content in industry standard formats. We already had customers lined up to use this thing, so we had to build it right, which means we had to build it for enterprise and for scale, not a proof of concept that we would use to demo with. People had to use this effectively in production. Number two, it had to be brain dead simple to use and powerful, that gave people joy when they were using it, which means we had to mask the technology in the LLM part completely from the user. So they had no idea they were even using an LLM or Azure OpenAI. All as they knew is they were producing pre-production content for professional video production. So I used to joke with the dev team that if Grandma Huckabee can use this thing effectively and be happy about it, then we succeeded. And we did. We're not just using GPT through Azure OpenAI. We're using Mistral through Azure OpenAI. We're also about to embark on using our own custom models built in 5.3 in Azure OpenAI. That makes for a very complex orchestration of data. Our prompt engineering process is wildly sophisticated. We use Microsoft Semantic Kernel to orchestrate that whole process. It was a lot of work, but the benefits of moving from AWS to Azure were numerous. The most important one, in my opinion, was it allowed us to run our AI services within the cloud platform that our application services run.
One of the biggest challenges being an entrepreneur is just how to do as much as possible with limited resources. Microsoft Founders Hub provided us with tools, with resources and tech to accelerate our platform, and it's been very, very helpful. So Azure is fundamental to our business because our customers are Microsoft customers, and Azure affords us the scale and security we need to be able to comply with their needs. Technology is going to actually accelerate what we're trying to do and make it even faster and even better. But art and creativity are subjective forms. I think you're always going to need a human touch.